All right, this video, we got a couple items. It's going to be a pretty cool video, so let's get into it. All right, first up, I'm going to show you something that I had in one of the other videos, the nail gun video from Flex. That almost felt like something was coming out. Anyway, this is 16 gauge, 2-inch finished nails. Let me close it so I can show you a little better. There you go. These are the nails. I got these nails when I bought the air nailers from Harbor Freight, but there they are. Just want to show you them. I had these out from doing the Flex nail gun video. Next up, I had to buy, because the Flex nail gun is 21 degree, and all I have is 30 degrees, so I had to buy. And yes, this is the smallest box they had of 21 degree nails. And they have 2 3/8 and 3-inch length. This is apparently the 3-inch. This is the ones that I used in that video to show the nail guns, or the framing nailer. This is a full one. That's how many nails I wasted. You see that from there back? But anyway, that's what I was trying to tell somebody else, that in the other video of my nail guns, the air nail guns from Harbor Freight, they're talking about how many minute the video was, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. 10-minute video and not one nail shot. Well, I didn't buy nails to waste just to show you the gun shooting a nail. It's supposed to shoot a nail, right? You should know that. I mean, that should be common sense. But in this video, because of that, or not this video, but the Flex nailers, I did use it and shot a few nails. So anyway, there that is, right? Maybe that'll make the people not complain so bad when I'm just showing stuff. I'm not demoing how the tool worked, or at least in that video I wasn't. The air nailers. The Flex video I was. Anyway, next up, enough of that, right? Next up, I got some microfiber rags. Now, I'm not going to open these. You know what a rag is, right? Right? Same thing, except for those are gray. No biggie. Just want to show you. Just showing you stuff I got, right? Now, next up, I know everybody remembers me reviewing those Suzume tools. They gave me a set of flex head ratchet wrenches, and with flex head on one end and open end on the other. And they also sent me a set of long double flex boxed in wrenches. Those wrenches are awesome. Well, because I reviewed them for them, they also sent me this set of wrenches. If you need to see that any longer, just pause the video. Now, they did not send me these these wrenches to review, to do a review video. They just sent them to me as a gift for doing my other videos for them that I did. So that is awesome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. But we're going to open them up. I told them that, or I asked them if it was okay for me to do a video and show everybody. They said, of course. And also let them know how I got them. Look at this. This is awesome, or what? Metric up here. Standard down here on the bottom. It looks like it goes from 1/4 to 3/4. For metric, goes 6 to 18. No skips. It should go, to be honest, it would have been better if it would have went from 1/4 to 1 inch on metric or standard, not 3/4. It needs to go all the way to 1 inch if you're going to have a full set. And it should at least go to 19, not 18. But there that is. And I will say it has 9 30-seconds, 11 30-seconds. Most sets don't come with them. That's pretty cool. Let's get one out. Here's the 3/4. I'll show you that one. Now these are not reversible. You just got to flip them over, and hope you don't back yourself up against something where you can't get the wrench off the fastener. So you have to be careful using wrenches like this that's not reversible. The ones that are reversible, if you back yourself up too far and you hit something and now you can't get the wrench off, you can just reverse it, tighten the bolt back in a little bit enough to get the wrench off of there, and then take it out by hand or use the open end. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see. It does skip. On the metric, it skips the 7. It goes 6, 8, 9, 10, and then to 18. No skips. So it does skip 7, which is unfortunate. It should have the 7 in it for it to be a full set of wrenches, right? But let's get the 18 out. Check it out. These wrenches are pretty cool. Let's see, this way. So it'll be right side up, right? Pretty cool. I like them. Thank you very much for sending them to me. Like I said, they didn't require me to do a video on these, but I thought that I should, to let everybody know that they was nice enough to send me these as a gift and not expect anything in return. That's pretty cool, I think. It says something about the company, right? All right, next up, we got, if I can get it over here. Can you see that? Little Giant. I got to take all the plastic and everything off. I just, you know, it is what it is. Ladder. Let's see. Let me get the camera down and I'll show you a little closer up. All right. You see it says 5-foot step ladder. It says it's a 6-foot step ladder, but it's all the way to the top, which that ain't no 6 feet. That's got to be 5 feet because I'm way taller than that. But anyway, maybe I was reading the wrong one at the store. This thing here is awesome, though. It's got a handle where you can carry it. Let me put the camera back up there and I'll show you. All right. As you've seen, it's got a handle where you can carry it. Pretty easy. It's also got this handle. Can you see that? That flips up. Maybe that's what they mean by 6 feet. That's about as tall as me. Maybe. Or a little shorter than me. Anyway, you got tool storage up here. Only thing I don't like about it is you got to push both of these in, these buttons, one on both sides, to tip this down. Let me see if I can pick this up and show you the tool storage up on top. That's pretty neat. What's really neat about it is to open it. See if I got enough room here. All you do is pull this and push. And there you go. And there's a little clip under the bottom. Let me look, make sure. Yep, it's latched. That holds this platform. This is not just a step like those. There's 2 steps and then the platform. It's pretty wide. And then to fold it up, to store it out of your way, all you do is pick this up. It picks this platform up and it also pulls in this, as you can see. There you go. And then you can just pick it up by the handle, store it over out of the way somewhere. That is pretty awesome. You always want to make sure this platform is clicked in this lock, the handle, before you step up here, because you might break something and the ladder might fold in. up on you. But that folds up. That way, when you're up here on this platform, well, the guy shows a picture of it right here, but they got a sticker over it, so you can't really see it. But when you're up here on this platform, you can lean against this and or hold on to it if you're scared about being on the ladder, right? Anyway, this thing is awesome. I got this from Lowe's. They did not send it to me. I bought this. So it says it holds 375 pounds too, so that'll work. And it's light. It really is light. This is going to come in handy. Now I have another ladder. I don't know if you can see it way over there or not. Let me, you see that ladder right there? Right there? Let me see if I can zoom in. You see that ladder? That ladder is an awesome ladder too, but it's kind of heavy. Let's zoom back out. It's kind of heavy for just doing little light stuff that's quick. You don't want to lug around a big heavy ladder. Now that ladder adjusts all kind of ways. It's like a step ladder and a extension ladder. I think it goes like 21 feet. That's the ladder I used when I did the cameras. And the feet of it, they flare out like that. So whether you're using it as a step ladder, you know, the A-frame step ladder, or an extension ladder, it's still pretty stable. So you don't flip over or anything. And that, I like that ladder. It adjusts. I think it's like a 5 or 6 foot step ladder, not extended, but it extends. The legs on it extend down, and it's pretty tall. It's like 8 or 10 feet once it's extended. But I guess maybe I should show you that ladder a little bit too, huh? Nah. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I knew this was going to be a quick one. I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got and the gift from Suzume Tools. That's awesome. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.